how you doing? This is Heath. This is Frontier Survival. Guys and gals, this is going to be a milestone upload coming your way. My 10th upload since the channel's existence. And guess what, guys? I'm at 90 subscribers. That's right, 10 away from 100. I never thought I'd get past 10, actually. I mean, I started this, and then all of a sudden, you know, get some subscribers here and there. You know, and then I said, hey, you know, I'll try to boost this a little bit, and I'll start a Facebook page. So now I got the Facebook page, now I got the YouTube channel. Frontier Survival is going strong. But what I decided to do, and I've already put it out there on Facebook, is this. Do a giveaway video after I surpass the 100 subscribers. I don't know many people out there that have done that. I mean, some people do 300, 500, 1,500, you know, giveaways, but 100 subscribers, has there been people that do that? Probably so. But anyway, I'm going to do it, but do I know what I'm going to give away yet? No, nope, I haven't figured that out. But just give us a little bit. You know, I'm 10 away. It might take a day or two. It might take a month to get that 10. But, you know, when it happens, when I surpass 100, I will do a giveaway video. And by then, I'm sure we'll figure out what we're going to give away. And with that being said, let's talk about today. Today, in our 10th upload, a milestone video, we are going to do a gear review on a new rucksack that my wife, Mandy, bought for me for Christmas. Now, this rucksack is budget friendly, somewhere around 40 bucks. So you see, it wasn't very expensive at all. And so what I'm going to do is get out in the woods, find me a place to sit down, show you all my new rucksack, and I'm even going to pull out the contents and do a loadout for you. That's right. Show you what I got in the bag at the moment. But we'll get that started here in just a little bit. It's all going to happen today. Hello, folks. It's Heath Ward right here in the woods. Like I said, getting ready to do that gear review for the milestone of the 10th upload coming your way. Howdy, it's Heath coming at you right here, Frontier Survival Time. Told you I was going to be in the woods to do a gear review for you on the Armycamousa USA backpack, rucksack, expandable, 40 liter to 64 liters. Right now I got about 35 pounds or so in it. It's not too bad. I rucked up here, and it wasn't that bad of a hike. It was real comfortable. We got the sternum strap, you got this waist strap, and it fits good and tight. You have these two little pouches here that you can keep things in. So far the stitching's great, the zippers are decent, and I really don't have a whole lot of bad things to say about it, other than maybe the zippers do stick a little bit. Alright, also I promised you a loadout on what I had in it, so let's get to the stump top and we'll show you what's in the bag. Alright, now you see right here the bag comes with a Velcro USA pouch that comes off if you need to. Right here in this elastic keeper section, I keep my nitrile gloves that come in handy pretty good. As you see right here, you got molly webbing that you can attach things to. You got molly webbing down this one side. You got compression straps on both sides. Got a water bottle here or whatever else you might want to keep in there. This has got 3 compartments, and it's the clamshell type backpack that folds completely out. So that's what's cool. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the compartments, and I'll show you what we got in here. First pouch here, zips around, is more like an admin pouch. And in that pouch I have a tire gauge, a little mini Stanley screwdriver, an extended magnet, an ink pen. Here's my lanyard with my emergency whistle with a compass on one side, a thermometer on the other. I have an emergency poncho and some field dressing gloves. And this little zipper pouch. I have this little thing here that would make a good signaling device. You see that? It really brightens up in the dark. Some razor blades and some rubber bands here. Rubber bands can come in handy for many reasons, so I'll keep a few always. And that's mostly what's in that pouch. The next compartment has a mesh pocket and can hold a few things here. And I got my slingshot, a nice nightstick flashlight. That's a bright knife sharpener, can opener, a little Stanley screwdriver type set. Got some electrical tape, some cordage, sewing kit. Oh yeah, an emergency space blanket. Now, check that out. That can hold quite a bit of stuff in that pocket now. I'll do these compression straps, and we got the biggest pocket of them all. These two zippers, when you zip around, these holes meet up and you can actually put a padlock on them. That's what's cool. But see here, completely unfolds. Of course, right here on this side, we got these little elastic keepers that you can keep a few things in. Here's another emergency whistle with a compass, a flashlight, pocket knife, a little small wrench, some paracord. I got my emergency climbing rope if need be, my high-power binoculars. I got a fishing kit in here, a lantern, and you can't forget this. This is my fire kit for now. So I have me a little container with some dryer lint, a little box here with the books and matches and some birthday candles, but birthday candles do good. Couple camping lighters, and don't forget my Baylight ferro rod right here. Well, that's pretty much does what I got in it right now. Like I said, it's about 35 pounds, and it wasn't heavy at all. Getting up to here, had no problem whatsoever. The bag itself so far is holding up. No busted zippers, no seams. You know, I mean, everything's great. I mean, I'll give it at least a 4.5 out of 5 stars. You know, and you know, I hope that it suits me and serves me for, you know, many years to come. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Frontier Survival. This has been the milestone 10th upload. More coming your way. I'm going to try to get one at you every week, one a week at least. Try to build and grow this channel. We got the Facebook page, we got the YouTube channel, and guys, I just want you to continue to like, subscribe, comment, share, do everything you can for me. This is Frontier Survival. Remember, you got to have the drive to survive.